from Dubai! Hello mga kamuse! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Barako Grill. Itatry namin dito yung mga food nila. And I'm with Nicole. Ang kaibigan kong laging walang plano pero laging naging totoo ang aming mga plano. Tara, kain tayo! So, ayun na nga, sumama kami sa pag-break-in ng sasakyan ni Nicole kasi recently, diba, nabili niya yung new car niya na Nissan Kicks. Congratulations sa iyo, Nicole. So, sumama kami at ang aming destination nga ay dito sa Barako Grill, Mall Queen. So, mga less than an hour lang naman ang biyahe but because of the traffic, it took us an hour and 30 minutes. This is how it looks like inside. Pero sa labas, meron din silang mga tables that you can use. But because it's summer na, medyo mainit, we opted to sit here inside. This is their menu. They have lots of options to choose from. I think this is our second time in Barako Grill. So we just ordered grilled squid. Hindi mawawala ang crispy pata and calamari. So tatlo lang po yung in-order namin. For me, okay naman yung prices nila. At yung crispy pata, super laki. Sa tatlong food na in-order namin, the calamari is my least favorite. For me, super yum talaga ang crispy pata. Panalong panalo, perfectly seasoned. Yung skin niya, pachicharon na yung crispiness. Although the squid is also good. And we paid around 203 dirhams for everything. Shout out nga po pala kay Sis Mavic Coupon Camo of Italy and Sis Edna A. Curo from Antipolo City. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.